it's that time of the month again. I think mine got delayed. I usually get it a little early. Mine got delayed, I'm pretty sure from the Florence, the hurricane, I don't know. Anyways, this one, HackerBox 35 ElectroChemitry. I wonder if this is going to be about batteries. Batteries! Sorry about that. Battery died. Speaking of batteries, the battery died. Alright, let's open this thing up. I like the new boxes. That's cool. I see what appears to be a thermometer lead. Nice. 3 line. Jumpers. Lots of jumpers. USB to micro, or is that mini? I think that's micro. This must be a sensor box. I think there's a card this time around. Is there a card? No card. I guess it's just going to be online now. That's cool. I'm not quite sure what kind of sensor that is. Not sure. Just like a laser module, maybe. Sure looks like it. Yep, thermometer and humidity gauge. I think that's a gas detector. Flying fish. MQ sensor. So what else we got here? Almost kind of reminds me of flying fish again. It's another sensor. I know these. It could be a CO2 sensor. I don't know. I don't know which one's which. Looks like a OLED display. I wonder if one of these is in a explosive gas detector. That'd be cool. One more sensor. Get out. I think that's a receiver for the laser. Wonder it. Oh, can't speak. Wonder what it's measuring. A bag of parts. LEDs. Some buttons. And the requisite resistors, I'm sure. Clickies. Clicky. I'm clicking it. It's clicking. So what is this? TDS meter, huh? for reading, if I remember right, total dissolved solids. I think that's what that means, TDS, in the water. See how many parts per million of such and such and such and such. We've got, what is this? Is this a micro? I can't tell. This is a nano. Oh, okay. I thought this was okay. Yeah, it's a nano. It says so right there. Some headers and a breadboard, solderless breadboard. This looks like a clear one, huh? No, I don't think I've ever had a clear one. Huh, that's cool. You can see the contacts. Yeah, that's interesting. And we've got some stickers. Walter White Laboratories. Not familiar with that name. And we've got a HackerBox sticker. Pretty cool. I like it. So yeah, sensor box. This is pretty cool. So let me know what you think. Starting to get quite the sticker collection.